Hello one, my name is Chandan and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this particular video we discuss 30 most important computer MCQ that is normally asking in some specific government job. Okay, so go to the question. So in our organization we also provides you O level, A level, BCA, BSc, Computer Science, BTech, MCA content, and if you interested to join O level and A level, you can directly contact with us. So our first question is, it is a translator for low level programming language. Which of these is a one type of translator? It is a type translator used for low level programming language. First one is, the first option is compiler, interpreter, assembler, loader. So the right answer is assembler. Okay, you try to give the right answer. So the right answer is assembler. The compiler and the interpreter are the one type of translator. It is a one type of translator used for translating high level programming language to machine level programming language. Okay, but assembler, it is used for translate only assembly language. So assembly language is a low level language. So assembler is a one type of translator used to translate low level programming language. So move on to the next question. The next question is, .wmv stand for. .wmv, it is a one type of file format stand for. So try to answer it. Okay, the right answer is Windows Media Video. The right answer is B, Windows Media Video. And other important extension, you just write in my comment section. Okay, I give you the extension is .mkv. You just write the comment section what is the full form of mkv. Okay, so the WMV stand for Windows Media Video. Okay, so move on to the next question. The question number 3, dash is not a function in MS Excel software. Dash is not a function in MS Excel software. The first option is sum, the second option is AVG, the third option is count, and the fourth option is AND. Dash is not a function in MS Excel software. So the first option is sum, then the second option is AVG, the third option is count, and the fourth option is AND. Choose the correct answer. So the right answer is .avg. Look, the sum, count, and AND all are the function of MS Excel. All are the function of MS Excel. But the AVG is not a function in MS Excel. That is average, that is average. 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 Average is the function of MS Excel, but not AVG. So the right answer is AVG. Okay. So move on to the next question. Question number 4. The process of putting data into a storage location is called. The process of putting data into a storage location is called. The first one is reading, writing, controlling, handshaking. So gives the correct answer. So the right answer is writing. When you store, suppose it is a one type of storage device, you store some data in here, that is called writing. Okay, and when you released or when you access data from a storage device, that is called reading. Okay, so the correct answer is option B, writing. So move on to the next question. The next question, question number 5. Which of the following is an antivirus? Which of the following is an antivirus software? Okay, so option 1 is Avast, option B is AVG, option C is Norton, option D all of these. Choose the correct answer. The correct answer is all of these. That means Avast, AVG, Norton, all are the antivirus software. So the correct answer is all of these. Okay, move on to the next question. The question number 6. Who is the following invented 3D printer technology? Who is the following invented 3D printer technology? So gives the right answer. The first option is Steve Jobs, Wilbur Wright, Bill Gates, Charles Hewell. So gives the right answer. So the right answer is Charles Hewell. Okay. Maybe in 1980. Okay, 1980 the 3D printer was introduced. So move on to the next question. The question number 7. SEO stand for. SEO stand for. The option is search engine operator. The second option is search engine operation. The third option is search engine optimization, and the fourth option is search entry operation. So gives the right answer. So the right answer is search engine optimization. Search engine optimization. The search engine optimization was, the right answer is C, search engine optimization It was introduced in the mid of 1990. Okay, 1990. The search engine optimization means it is the process of maximizing the number of visitors to a particular website, okay, or improves the quality, the ranking of a website. This technology, this process is called search engine optimization. So move on to the next question. Question number 8. The QuickTime format was developed by. The option is Microsoft, Intel, Apple, Google. So gives the right answer. Who is the developer? QuickTime file format was developed by. The right answer is C. Apple. Apple first developed the QuickTime format. Okay. So move on to the next question. Question number 9. Which of the following is a protocol used on the internet? Which of the following is a protocol used on the internet? IEEE, HTML, TCP/IP, Java. Gives the right answer. So the right answer is TCP/IP. TCP/IP is a one type of protocol normally used in internet. IEEE, Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. It is also a protocol and highly used for Wi-Fi. IEEE 802.11. HTML is a file format. Java is a programming language. So the TCP/IP is a one type of protocol highly used in internet. Okay, so moves on to the next question. Go to the next question. The next question is, which of the following printer is commonly used for desktop publishing? Which of the following printers is commonly used for desktop publishing? Dot matrix printer, laser printer, line printer, thermal printer. Choose the correct answer. Dot matrix printer, laser printer, line printer, thermal printer. So the right answer is laser printer. So the right answer is laser printer. And the printing speed of laser printer is normally measured in ppm. That means page per minute. Okay, it is a very important question, basically asked in many government jobs. Okay, so move on to the next question. The next question is question number 11. Search engine can search video, image, document, all of these. So the right answer is all of these. A search engine can search both video, image, document. By through video, by through image, by through document, we can search any information in a search engine. Okay, so the right answer is all of these. Move on to the next question. Question number 12. Which of the following storage media can store approximately 25 GB or more data? Which of the following storage media can store 25 GB or more data? The option is Blu-ray disc, floppy disk, DVD, CD. Gives the right answer. So the right answer is Blu-ray disc, BRD. The storage capacity of a Blu-ray disc approximately 25 GB to 50 GB. Okay, 50 GB. So the right answer is Blu-ray disc. Okay, move on to the next question. The next question is question number 13. A computer virus is a dash. A computer virus is a dash. Bacteria, hardware, computer code, none of these. Gives the right answer. A computer virus is a dash. So the right answer is computer code. A computer virus is a computer code. Okay. The right answer is computer code. So move on to the next question. Question number 14. Bits means binary data, binary date, basic integrated technique, binary digit. Gives the right answer. So the right answer is binary digits. So the right answer is binary digits. Normally based on either 0 or 1. Okay, either 0 or 1. And the smallest unit of bits is a smallest unit of storage. Okay, the smallest unit of storage. So move on to the next question. The question number 15. Which of the following is not a number of Param supercomputer series? Which of the following is not a member of Param supercomputer series? Param Kranti, Param Padma, Param Yuva, Param 8000. Given to the correct answer. Okay, gives the correct answer. Which of the following is not a member of supercomputer series? So the right answer is Param Kranti. So the right answer is Param Kranti. Param Padma. It is a one type of supercomputer introduced in December 2002. Okay. Param Yuva. It is also a supercomputer introduced in 2008. And Param 8000, it is the first supercomputer in India, introduced in 1990. Okay, so the right answer is not a member of Param series. Okay, so the right answer is Param Kranti. Move on to the next question. The question number 16. Find and replace dialog box. Find and replace dialog box is opened when dash key is pressed in MS Word document. Find and dialog box. What is the shortcut key for find and replace dialog box. The option is F2, F3, F5, F4. Gives the right answer. The first option is F2, F3, F4, F5. So the right answer is D, F5. When you press F5 key in your keyboard, you found the find and replace dialog box. Okay, you found the find and replace dialog box. Move on to the next question. The question number 17. Abacus is derived from the Greek word des. Abacus, very computer. That means abacus is a one type of Greek word, derives from abax, abac, abex, abaca. Gives the right answer. Abacus is derived from the Greek word des. So the right answer is C, abax, A-B-A-X, abax is a Greek word and abacus derived from this word. Okay, so move on to the next question. The question number 18. Junk email, also called. The option is script, spoof, stage, store. Again I say you, junk mail, email, also called script, spoof, stage, store. So the right answer is spoof, S-P-O-O-F, spoof, or it is otherwise called, the junk mail is otherwise called spam, S-P-A-M, spam. Okay, so move on to the next question. Question number 19. Which of the following storage media provides sequential access only? Which of the following storage media provides sequential access only? Floppy disks, magnetic disks, magnetic tape, Blu-ray disks. Which of the following storage media provides sequential access only? So the right answer is magnetic tape. So the right answer is magnetic tape. The sequential access media, the sequential access means the computer system reads and or writes information to the file sequentially, okay, or proceeding step by step. And the random access is a one type of accessing technology. That means computer system can reads and writes information anywhere in the data file. Okay, so floppy disks, magnetic tape, Blu-ray disks, all are the random access memory storage. Magnetic tape is a sequential or step by step storage device. It is a one type of sequential access memory access technique. Okay, so move on to the next question. The next question is question number 20. Which of the following is an open source operating system software? Which of the following is an open source operating system software? Open source means free source operating system software. So the option is IQ, Windows, Open Solar, Google. Give the right answer. So the right answer is IQ. Is a one type of open source operating system software. Okay, so move on to the next question. The question number 21. Which of the following is not a Windows version? Which of the following is not a Windows version? Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 96, Windows 98. Which of the following is not a Windows version? So the right answer is Windows 96. So the right answer is Windows 96. Okay. Windows 10 introduced in July. Windows 10 introduced in July 29th, 2015. Okay. Windows 11 introduced in June recently, June 24th, 2021, and Windows 98 introduced in May. Okay, mind it, that is very important question. May 15, 1998. Okay, so Windows 96 is not a Windows version, so that is the correct answer. Okay, so move on to the next question. Question number 22. Another name of Usenet is, very important question. Another name for Usenet is Gopher, Newsgroup, Browser, CERN. Gives the correct answer. So I again say you, another name for Usenet is Gopher, Newsgroup, Browser, CERN. So the right answer is Newsgroup. The Usenet is a one type of user network, worldwide computer network, and otherwise called Newsgroup. Okay, move on to the next question. Question number 23. Virtual terminal protocol is an example of. Virtual terminal protocol is an example of network layer, application layer, transport layer, physical layer. All layers are the OSI layers. Okay, the first layer is physical, data link, network, transport, session, presentation, and application. So the question is, virtual terminal protocol is an example of DES layer. Okay, so the right answer is application layer. Okay, so move on to the next question. The question number 24. What is an slide transistor? What is an slide transition? Okay, overhead, letters, a specific effect used to introduce a slide in a slideshow, the way one slide look. So what is the slide transition? Overhead, letters, a specific effect used to introduce a slide in a slideshow, the way one slide look. So the right answer is a specific effect normally present in PowerPoint used to introduce a slide in a slideshow. Okay, so move on to the next question. The question number 25. What are the steps to insert slide number in MS PowerPoint? What are the steps to insert slide number? So the option is insert a text box and select insert, then page number, choose insert then slide number, insert a new text box and select insert, then slide number, insert a text box and select insert, then select number, then select page number. What is the correct answer? So the correct answer is option C, insert a new text box and select insert, then slide number, you put the slide number. Okay, move on to the next question. So the question number 26, which of the following protocols use both TCP and UDP? That means which of the following protocols are used both transmission control protocol and user datagram protocol, use both TCP also and also UDP. Okay, so the option is FTP, SMTP, Talent, DNS. The FTP means file transfer protocol, the SMTP means simple mail transfer protocol, Talent is also a protocol, telecommunication network, and DNS, domain name system, is also a one type of protocol technology. So give out the right answer. So the right answer is DNS. Okay, so the right answer is DNS. DNS is a one type of system protocol normally used both TCP and UDP. Move on to the next question. The question number 27. KAOX is a dash. KAOX is a dash, a news, a virus product, a storage media, or a information system. KAOX. So the correct answer is D, a information system. Okay, it is highly used for public place, for common people. It is a one type of information station, information system. Okay, normally used in airport, railway station, etc. Move on to the next question. The question number 28. Banker's algorithm is used to prevent deadlock, to deadlock recovery, to solve the deadlock, none of these. Banker's algorithm is used. Deadlock means when a process waiting for another process and this process also waiting for another process. In this situation, in this time, deadlocks occurs. Okay, so the Banker's algorithm is a one type of algorithm are used for days. The correct answer is to prevent deadlock. Okay, to prevent deadlock. So move on to the next question. The question number 29. What is the full name of the DSM? What is the full name of the DSM? Direct system module, direct system memory, demorized system memory, distributed share memory. Okay, so the right answer is distributed share memory. Distributed share memory is a one type of memory process. The short form is DSM. Okay, move on to the next question, and the last question is the question number 30. Commit and rollback are related to, both are SQL command. Commit and rollback are related to. The option is data integrity, data consistency, data sharing, data security. So the right answer is data consistency. We use the commit and rollback. We use the commit and rollback command for data consistency. Okay, so thank you for watching. We are discussing some other MCQ in our next class.